not invest in the stock market until you watch this.
Hey guys, if you want to know how to invest or to start a business online, Danjo Capital will help you and he's the best coach.
That like button, pound that like button, caress that like button, and make sure you subscribe. I noticed that 80% of the people watching my videos are not even subscribed. You just keep on watching but you're not subscribed. So do me a solid, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Right now we're almost close to 5k subscribers, so thank you guys so much. What's up guys, this is Danjo the Capital Master. I'm back again with this video, and so today I'll be giving you 5 tips on why you should not invest in the stock market. The first tip is it's very risky. Of all the things that you can invest, like business, like real estate, stock market is the riskiest for me. Why? Because you have no control with what's gonna happen. Maybe today your stocks are good, tomorrow it's not. Okay? There's a lot of risk involved in the stock market. Although there are strategies that you can use to position your stocks, so to make sure that you will make your money safe. But if you don't know those strategies, if you're just a beginner, then don't invest in the stock market. Number 2 tip, stock market is always for the pros. Okay? If you're a beginner and you're going to invest in stocks, make sure do not invest a lot of money. Okay? So if you're from the Philippines, do not go overboard 10,000. So for me, the max is 10,000 to play with. Okay? Do not invest more than that if you're a beginner. Why? Because you will surely lose fast if you invest in the stock market and if you don't know what you're doing. Statistics don't lie. 90% of traders lose money in the stock market. If you don't know what you're doing, whether you know someone, whether you watch Filipino movies like Sid and Aya, where Ding Don Dantes is a rich stockbroker, and you thought to yourself, oh, I can be like him. The reality is, you don't. Okay? The only time you're gonna be like him, if you study a lot, if you read a lot of books, you don't just watch one YouTube video and I will invest this money. No. It takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of connections to master the skill of stock investing in the stock market. Number 3 tip, okay, the third tip that I could give you, if you're just starting out, if you don't have a lot of cash, do not invest in the stock market. Instead, focus on investing in your career or in the business. Okay? If you don't have a career up to now, let's say you're 25 years old above, or if you're a young entrepreneur, you're 20 years old, you still don't have a passion or purpose in life, I mean, make sure you focus on that purpose first. Okay? Because if you don't have a lot of cash and you will invest in stock market, you cannot multiply it. Okay? It's not going to multiply. It just be a constant stable, okay, up to down. Okay? It's like a downward trend, because let's say you have 5,000 pesos and you will invest in the stock market, you may earn 50% or you may lose 100%. Okay? We don't know. Okay? What we know is that if you're just starting out, make sure you have a career in life, or focus on investing yourself. Study in a good university or build that skill first. If you're a piano player, whatever it is, if you're a model and you have OnlyFans, who cares? Okay? It's your preference. Okay? The reality is, focus on your path first, your career, and maybe on OnlyFans you will have a lot of simps if you're a girl. So I don't know. Okay? So the main thing is focus on your purpose first, focus on your life, and then after you build that skill, after build that business, okay, once the cash is flowing, that's the only time you invest in the stock market. Do not invest in the stock market when you don't have a lot of money. Okay? It's useless unless you're a pro trader. Okay? Even if you, for example, I know a friend of mine who is so good at stock, so that even if you give him, let's say, 50k, he knows what to do. Okay? He knows how to diversify. He knows how to choose the right stock to buy, and I guarantee he is really the best. So unless you're him, don't invest in the stock market. Now, the 4th tip, this might be a little bit tricky to someone. Okay? The 4th tip is if you are lazy. Because in stock market, especially if you're a day trader, you will be looking at a lot of charts. If you're a lazy person, you will just make assumption based on the news and never read the trend. So, for example, there's a good news that the stocks will go high, but you will not look at the market cap, you will not look at the bids, you will not look at the charts, okay? You will not even use my methods in the stock market, and you will just, you'll just base the assumption from the news, okay? Because you're a lazy person, stock market is not for you, okay? Now, the last tip, because I want this to be quick as much as possible, I don't want to waste a lot of time, and I still have a lot of things to do just to make this video for you guys, okay? So the last tip that I will giving you is, don't invest in the stock market if your focus is just to make money, okay? Stock market is like an adventure, okay? A path. If you're the type of person who is always looking at the phone, trying to check if you're making money or not, okay? If you're the type of person who gets scared easily, who's the type of person who's not taking risk, okay, don't invest in the stock market, because stock market is for the riskiest people, risk takers, I mean, for the people who like to take risks. If you're the type of person who like to take risks, who don't get nervous easily if you lose money, for example, Bitcoin, you just see a news in the TV that Bitcoin will crash, let's just say, and you panic, okay, it's not for you, okay? But if you're just a relaxed person, you're contented with what you invested, okay, you just invest what you can afford to lose, then stock market is for you. Now, if you want to learn the basics of the stock market, I have a separate video for you guys, because I care for you, okay? It's absolutely free of charge. I don't charge anything, because I don't really care about making money, okay? The point here is to educate a lot of people to grow their wealth, or to learn a new skill in the game of stock market. So check that video out. I will leave in the description. Now that you're aware of the disadvantages in investing in the stock market, on the next video I will make 5 tips on why you should invest in the stock market, and I guarantee the advantages are way more better than the disadvantages. So make sure you check that out. When I'm not busy anymore, I will make that video for you guys, so make sure to check that out. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure you hit that like button, pound that like button, caress that like button, and make sure you subscribe. I noticed that 80% of the people watching my videos are not even subscribed. You just keep on watching, but you're not subscribed. So do me a solid, do me a favor, and hit that subscribe button. Right now we're almost close to 5K subscribers. So thank you guys so much, and I appreciate it. This is Danjo Capital, the Capital Master. I'll see you soon.